Hi, my name is Werner. I'm the CEO of AVEQ. So do you operate a video website or any site that has videos included? Do you want to ensure that playback works for all your customers in an automated test framework? Here's a video tutorial in which we show you how you can use our Surfmeter solution to measure the quality of video playback all automatically within the LambdaTest framework. You can use these measurements to get details on the performance of video playback, including the loading time and any stalling events that might happen during playback. But we also deliver a video quality score, which we call the mean opinion score. It's a single number for video streaming quality, which allows you to quickly calculate or estimate the playback quality without actually having to look into the technical details. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a quick example, which is the following. We have a video hosted on a website, let's say Vimeo, and we want to check its performance. Specifically, we want to make sure the video plays with excellent quality. Now, we'll go over the code that's required to launch the measurements and show you how it works. My colleague Alex has prepared his editor, and I'll be walking you through the steps. So just some technical notes before we get started. We'll be working in TypeScript here, and we'll be using the Jest testing framework. In this test, which is part of the describe block, it creates a Chrome WebDriver that is connected to the LambdaTest grid URL, which we've configured already. Below, we have a test block that actually checks if we reached good enough video quality. But we will have to implement this. Additionally, we have a status field above, which you may know from other LambdaTest scenarios, which enables us to report the test results and send them to the LambdaTest dashboard. As you can see, our test creates a Chrome WebDriver. After the driver is created, we will immediately initialize our video analytics library. After that library is initialized, we can start visiting the Vimeo page. Now, Vimeo requires us to use a login, so this is what we will do next, but we'll fast forward this part because it's quite straightforward and we actually want to focus on the video analytics. So this command will enable us to measure all videos that are played on the current page. Now we can introduce the actual tests. So we want to fetch the video element that we want to measure and gather the performance and quality statistics from our library. So we prepared this snippet in advance, and basically we will wait until the video element appears on the website. We also have some means to handle videos that don't play automatically, but we can skip this part for now. After the video starts to play, we will sleep for 30 seconds and fetch the statistics afterwards. So for our first run, we just want to see which statistics our library delivers, so we output them to the console. Also, we need a test case, and for now it's okay to just check if the statistics are defined, and we will make this test pass at all times. So without further ado, let's run the test and see how it succeeds. So at the beginning it initializes the library and then it performs the login. It searches for the video and we're now going to wait for 30 seconds or we're going to skip this part. And so we receive the statistics. What did we get here? Well, we've, for example, measured the different bit rates for audio and video. The initial loading delay was very fast, so congratulations Vimeo. And the initial resolution of the video and also the longest played resolution were displayed, so it's both 720p. And there were no switches in quality, and there was no stalling, so this is very good. An important value our library delivers is the overall quality score. That's shown here as total MOS, or total mean opinion score. So it represents a rating between 1 and 5. 1 is bad and 5 is excellent. So this MOS is the result of an internationally standardized and machine learning based algorithm that gives you a score like a human user would. So it has been trained and validated on a large number of video sequences, and it integrates all the technical parameters into one number, so you don't have to worry about the details. So we also put this into a word that describes the score, and here it's excellent. Now we can also determine a so-called quality ratio that determines the ratio of the actual quality with respect to the quality score the video would have received under perfect network conditions. Now we go back to our test code. In the meantime, we did some small modifications to make the test more stable, but what we really want to do is extract the quality ratio and the quality level and log them to the console. So let's end the test by checking a threshold for our quality ratio, for example, to be greater or equal than 80%. And now we run the test again. Everything's now the same as before, only the final testing is different. And so we load the video, we wait for the results, And there it is. So the tested video achieved an excellent quality of 94%. And that's actually very good. And so the test is passed because 94% is greater than 80%. Now there's one more thing. We want to be able to look at the data together with all the other video tests that we ran. So for this, we have our own analytics service that you can load up in the browser. It's based on the powerful Kibana engine that you might know. So in the Discover view, you'll see a list of all your last measurements with all your statistics available, including metadata on the type and version of the browser used, the operating system, etc. You can therefore easily filter by all possible parameters. Also, you get fully customizable graphics for all the important parameters. For instance, in this dashboard, we can display the overall mean opinion score, that is the quality of all selected video playbacks. But in addition, we show the typical video resolution, the average initial loading time, so the stalling time it took for the video to load, and many more details on what could possibly cause the video problems. So there you have it. We showed you how you can easily integrate video tests with LambdaTest using our Surfmeter video analytics plugin. This allows you to seamlessly test any video playing on your website, measure its performance and quality, and directly view the results. Of course, we're happy to answer any questions you may have on this topic. Hopefully we will hear from you, and see you soon. Bye-bye.